Welcome to our deep dive into the world's most combat-ready 5th-generation fighter jets. Today, we're not just listing the flashiest planes, we're ranking the jets that are truly operational, deployed, and have proven themselves in real-world missions. What makes a jet combat-ready? It's about numbers and service, global deployment, and most importantly, actual combat experience. We'll focus on the technology, stealth, sensors, speed, but always tie it back to what these jets are doing right now. Forget the hype, we're separating the proven from the promising. So, strap in as we explore which nations truly command the skies with their 5th-generation fleets. Let's get started. Leading the pack is the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, the world's most widely deployed and combat-proven 5th-generation fighter. With over 1,000 units in service across the US, UK, Israel, Japan, Australia, and more, the F-35 is the backbone of Allied air power. Its 3 variants, F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, cover everything from conventional runways to aircraft carriers. The F-35's combat record is unmatched. Israeli and American F-35s have flown real missions in contested airspace, gathering intelligence and striking targets while evading advanced air defenses. Every mission feeds data back into the system, constantly improving software, tactics, and pilot training. Its real strength? Sensor fusion. The F-35 acts as a flying intelligence hub, pulling in data from all directions and sharing it with other jets, ships, and ground forces. This networked approach is a game-changer, making the entire force more effective. Stealth is key. The F-35 can slip deep into enemy territory, strike and disappear, or guide other platforms to their targets. Its electronic warfare suite, the Barracuda, can jam and blind enemy radars, protecting itself and its allies. While the program faced criticism for cost and delays, the F-35 now delivers on its promised mature logistics, robust training, and constant upgrades. No other 5th-gen jet matches its scale, operational maturity, or combat experience. The F-35 isn't just a fighter, it's a force multiplier that's changed modern air warfare. When it comes to combat readiness, the F-35 sets the global benchmark. It's the most combat-ready 5th-generation fighter in the world, by every practical measure. The numbers, the tech, the experience, it's all there. That's why it's number one. If the F-35 is the workhorse, the F-22 Raptor is the apex predator, built for absolute air superiority. With only about 180 in service, the F-22 is a rare, uniquely American asset, reserved for the toughest missions. Its combat debut came in 2014 over Syria, and it famously shot down a Chinese surveillance balloon in 2023. The Raptor's edge? Unmatched maneuverability, thanks to thrust vectoring engines and the ability to supercruise, fly supersonic without afterburners. Its stealth is legendary. Enemy radars struggle to see it, and its advanced radar lets it strike first and vanish. The F-22's dogfighting prowess is unrivaled, able to outmaneuver any opponent in close combat. While its sensor fusion isn't as advanced as the F-35's, ongoing upgrades keep it relevant in a networked battle space. Maintenance is demanding, and the small fleet size means Raptors are carefully managed for critical missions. Despite limited numbers and a smaller combat record, the F-22 remains the ultimate air dominance fighter. It's a high-demand, low-density asset, America's silver bullet for air superiority. The F-22's presence alone shapes adversary tactics and strategy. Its combination of stealth, speed, and agility is still unmatched. While the F-35 leads in versatility, the F-22 is the undisputed king of the dogfight. It's a formidable force that continues to cast a long shadow over aerial combat. The Raptor's legacy is secure. It's the air-to-air specialist every rival fears. In third place is China's Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, the most advanced non-US 5th-generation fighter. Entering service in 2017, the J-20 is the centerpiece of China's push to challenge US air dominance in the Pacific. Over 200 J-20s are now in service, making it the most numerous 5th-gen jet outside the US. Its canard delta design emphasizes speed, range, and agility, built to strike deep and threaten high-value targets. Newer models use domestic engines, moving China closer to a fully sovereign stealth fleet. The J-20's avionics are advanced, with AESA radar, distributed sensors, and a glass cockpit for 360-degree awareness. While it hasn't seen combat, Chinese pilots train intensively in realistic scenarios, honing tactics for this complex machine. Stealth is good from the front, though some features may compromise all-aspect stealth. Its main role long-range interception and precision strikes, armed with missiles that can threaten U.S. support aircraft. By pushing tankers and AWACS further from the fight, the J-20 could disrupt U.S. operations in the region. The J-20's rapid production and deployment show China's serious intent. It's a credible, formidable presence, even if some tech, like engines and stealth, is still maturing. The J-20 is the most combat-ready 5th-gen fighter outside the U.S. It's a clear sign of the shifting balance of air power. The mighty dragon is here to stay. At number 4 is Russia's Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, a jet with immense potential but limited proven readiness. Officially in service since 2020, only about 40 Su-57s exist, hampered by slow production and technical challenges. Russia claims limited combat use in Ukraine, but these missions have been cautious, avoiding deep penetration roles. The Su-57's standout feature is agility. 3D thrust vectoring gives it extreme maneuverability, even beyond the F-22. Supercruise is a design goal, but most jets still use interim engines, limiting full performance. Its sensor suite is unique, with multiple radar arrays for broad situational awareness and potential stealth detection. Stealth is a compromise, reduced signature but not on par with US jets, prioritizing agility and speed. Advanced countermeasures like DRCM lasers boost survivability, anticipating detection and missile threats. The Su-57 blends Russian design philosophy, less about being invisible, more about fighting and surviving in contested airspace. Low production numbers and unproven combat effectiveness keep it behind its American and Chinese rivals. It's a promising design, but not yet a dominant force. The Felon's future depends on ramped-up production and real-world testing. For now, it's more potential than proven power. The Su-57 is Russia's bid to stay in the 5th-gen race, but it's not there yet. Fifth on our list is the Shenyang J-35, China's answer to the F-35C and a leap forward in carrier-based stealth aviation. Still in operational testing, the J-35 is designed for China's new catapult-equipped carriers like the Fujian. Its twin-engine design and folding wings are tailored for demanding carrier operations. The J-35's stealthy F-35-like profile emphasizes frontal aspect and visibility, crucial for carrier strike missions. Prototypes are flying from land and carrier decks with rigorous testing underway. Combat readiness is 0 for now, but rapid development signals China's intent to project naval air power far from home. Avionics are expected to rival the J-20, with advanced radar, electronic warfare, and networked capabilities. The J-35 is key to unlocking the full potential of China's growing carrier fleet, enabling deep strikes and fleet defense. Compared to the J-20, it's smaller and lighter, optimized for sea operations, not long-range land missions. Export potential is high. Pakistan has already signaled intent to buy the land-based FC-31 variant. The J-35's ranking is based on potential and advanced testing, not current combat capability. Once operational, it will reshape naval power in the Indo-Pacific. The J-35 is a clear indicator of China's blue water ambitions. It's on the cusp of service, and the world is watching. The carrier era is about to get a lot more crowded. Rounding out our list is the Shenyang FC-31 Gerfalcon, the export-focused, land-based cousin of the J-35. Developed as a private venture, the FC-31 aims to offer 5th-gen capability to nations shut out of the F-35 market. First flown in 2012, it's a medium-weight, multi-role stealth fighter, borrowing heavily from American designs. The FC-31 isn't in service yet, but Pakistan's planned purchase could make it the first international operator. Its design features modern avionics, internal weapons bays, and twin engines for versatility and safety. The FC-31's biggest validation, its evolution into the J-35 for China's Navy, proving the airframe's adaptability. Key questions remain about engine performance, stealth effectiveness, and sensor integration. The FC-31's readiness is about market potential, China's bid to become a top-tier aerospace exporter. Its success will depend on cost, support, and geopolitics as much as technology. While it lacks combat experience, the FC-31 is poised to enter service abroad soon. It's a testament to China's rapid aerospace progress. The Gerfalcon's real test will come in foreign hands. Watch this space. That's our rundown of the world's most combat-ready fifth-generation fighters. The F-35 leads by a wide margin, with the F-22 as the ultimate air-to-air specialist. China's J-20 is closing the gap, while Russia's Su-57 and China's J-35 are racing to catch up. The era of American monopoly is ending. Air combat is entering a multipolar, high-tech age. The next decade will see even more competition, with new tech and new players. Which jet do you think will define the future of air combat? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives into the technology shaping our world.